Hi there, welcome to Titan. Today I'm going to be showing you what a customer-facing website and portal can look like for your business when you combine the power of Titan Web with Salesforce. Let's take a look. So here we have a fully functioning website that you can build on Titan Web without any coding whatsoever. Everything here is drag and drop. So first we see a header at the top. This header has got a few different tabs in it for us to navigate to. And it's also got the opportunity for us to sign in. We have here a carousel of pictures that are coming straight from Salesforce and being displayed here in the website. Each one has a different header on top of it, and that's really easy to set up. Now we have a description. This description is coming straight from a field in Salesforce, but you can also just put it right into the website if you'd like. And as we scroll down here on the bottom, we have the different categories of things that we offer at the country club. And all the way here on the bottom, we have a footer, which is going to stay with us throughout the website, giving us the contact info, the copyright, and the symbol for the club. So now let's go ahead and see what the sign up process is like. So let's click sign up. And right here, you see a registration form. It's going to collect all the data that we need and then trigger a approval process in Salesforce so that I can get approved as a new member. And as you can see, we can attach our recommendation letter here. We can sign off that we acknowledge the terms and conditions. And when we sign up, this will go straight to Salesforce. So it's important to notice that every single thing you hear can be mapped to Salesforce, either pushing to Salesforce or coming from Salesforce. Everything's bi-directional and it'll work with whatever architecture you have. So any type of uh, custom field or standard field, custom object, standard object, it doesn't matter. Titan will authenticate with that and map to that information in Salesforce. So here now I'm going to log in. I'm putting in my login, ben at titan.com. And right now you see the website's already different. Hi there, member. Thanks for logging in. And it's giving me two options. I can view my cases, view my orders, and let's go ahead and check out the discussions. So here's the discussions, and as you can see here, we have a bunch of different discussion groups, and some of these discussion groups, um, we can go ahead and we can even post in them. So I can post in the meeting group. I can add a post here. I can say, okay, you know what? Uh, I want to meet tomorrow, and I'll post that. Now that post is just being sent to Salesforce, and it will be approved by the moderator, and then it will be shown here. Different things we have here, the Back Nine Club, and this one doesn't have any posts yet. So really the ability to communicate with the organization, with the other members of the club, whatever you'd like here. So you can see here there's a post here, and someone can respond to that. Support Q&A. So here's the different support Q&A. Here's a knowledge base where we can ask questions. Okay, best foods to eat before after your game. Okay, what do we want to eat after our game? We can also export this as a PDF and use document generation to get this inside of a document that I can download and send out as a PDF. Okay, let's say I can't find what I need. So I can search topics or I can open a case and I can create a new case here. So here's my case. I can create a case and this will actually create a case in Salesforce. Let's now go ahead and if I click up here on the top right, under my name, there's another drop-down menu. So I can actually look at all the cases that I've already opened with the club. So here's the cases and I can see what their status is. I can see when it was closed. I can see the case number and I can also look at details for that case. So here's the details of the case. What's the status of my new clubs? What was the day that this case was closed? May 25th, 2021. And I can add case comments. I can say, uh, this was a great case. Okay, this was finished. Post comment. Now I've done that and it's saved here and saved in Salesforce as well. So really all of this is, completely customizable to really what you need it to be. Here's the orders coming in a table. So I can see my gym membership. Oh, look, I ordered a gym membership. You know what? I actually want to make three for the rest of my family. I could just use inline editing and edit that. So we have in this particular table, we have uh, different objects coming from Salesforce displaying the record data that's associated with it. And we can really take this as far as we want. We can look at different things. We can display whatever we'd like here. And all of this is possible and completely customizable without any code whatsoever when you use Titan Web. And please get in touch today and we'd be happy to show you a demo of how this can work for your use case.